Today we're going to talk about the Vankyo C750 headphones. We will talk about the pros and cons and do a quick unboxing. First things first, these things have a pretty good audio, built-in noise cancelling, 30 hours of battery, and they can be used for any audio need, for instance like listening to music or audiobooks. You can even pair these with any Bluetooth device. Say you want to play video games and chat online via voice. These will allow you to do so. The included carrying case will allow you to safely transport your Vankyo headphones. Inside, we also have an auxiliary jack to connect your headphones to devices that don't support Bluetooth, like a remote or a legacy device such as MP3 player. Keep in mind the quality is also better if you use the auxiliary jack. We have a micro USB cord for charging. This will plug into any existing phone charger or other power brick chargers that support USB-A. Vankyo wants to hear from you. If you have any issues with your product or if you like your product, they also included a comprehensive manual for your device. An alternative carrying plush bag was also included. Oh whoa, these actually feel pretty premium. Let's take a closer look. The device is light and has sturdy construction. The left and right ears are labeled, and the physical earmuffs are very soft. I was blown away by the comfort of these headphones. They also feature a very flexible design and will work very well with many different sized heads. You can even deploy the additional extensions for extra comfort on a larger head. As you can see, still very flexible. The styling has chamfered reflective edges around the center of the earmuff, which looks aesthetically pleasing. On the side, we have active noise cancelling switch. If you turn this on, it will block out the sound from the outside. This could be good if you're studying or reading a book or listening to music in a loud environment. We have a microphone hole, micro USB, aux jack, LED indicator for different states, volume rockers, and a power button. There's also 180-degree rotation on the earmuffs. This will aid in the comfort and make it easier to store away. The top part is extra cushiony and properly sits on your head. I'm very pleased with this because the device is very comfortable all around. It looks good and feels good. The overall construction is quite solid. There isn't any bad design anywhere, and the aesthetics are quite nice, and the chamfered edges look good, and the branding is very minimal. All these things I can really appreciate. I have tested these headphones out in voice chat, and it has pretty good recording and audio on both ends. During gaming sessions, it also performs well. Comfort and style is what defines these headphones. For the price, the noise cancelling seems to be quite good. It cancels out the noise better than other headphones I've tested for this price class. The pairing was very easy and quick. I didn't even need the instructions. The audio quality is exactly where it should be for the price. See, it also scores slightly above average in the physical appeal aspect, as they are not designed to be flashy, but instead are modest and appropriate for any setting. Since I have these headphones, I can do any kinds of tests for you guys. If you have any questions specifically about these headphones or other headphones, I am here for you, ready to answer any questions, and even provide tech support if you need it. If I only had 60 USD to spend, I would definitely purchase these. Alright, that's the end of the review. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already.